Hey everyone, this is ArcAnySysMC. I am back to talk about the somewhat of a solution that I have with my Autocrafting. I posted a video earlier describing some problems, hoping I get some people on Reddit to help me. There were some really good suggestions, mainly the one about how to configure this piece. So we want redstone to come in from the side, we want printed silicon to come in from the bottom, and we want whatever else to come in from the top, either the printed calculation circuit, printed engineering circuit, or the printed logic circuit. And that will sandwich in to make the three components that we need. These are the ones that we're really after here. So to do that, we know redstone's going to go into the side, so there's redstone. We know silicone's going to come into the bottom, so you put silicone into the bottom. And those are just with regular export buses. And then we have the ME interface on the top where we can put the crafting and, depending on what it is, which one we want to come in. So that's the one that I thought was causing the most problem. It turns out it is going to be the silicone one, which is the one down here. So with the crafting, come on. So I have the silicone inscriber here. The silicone drop should go there, which I have in. Here's the pattern, here's the silicone, and I have plenty in the system. Alright, so that's where it is right now. Now this thing works great if I just come in here and say, oh, wrong one. If I come in here and say, okay, I need to make 10 of these, so let me make 10 of these and 10 of these, let it cook down, and then I can select this one and it'll create itself just fine. Right, so let's just do 2 of them. Right, 2, next. We've got the stuff, start. It goes, it's counting down, 1, 2, there it is. If you look in the system, where is it? Oh, there's 3 in there now. Okay. And there's 1 printed silicon. Okay, so let's do the same thing with silicon. We're going to print 2 of them. 2, next, start. They count down. They're there. And then I can craft, since I know there's 3 in the system, I can craft 3 of these, no problem. Alright, and you can see them crafting here. And it's counting down. Okay, not a problem. Everything works fine there. We know at this point that we can take a crafting recipe and have it make a constituent part, one of the sub-assemblies. So here's the problem. Let's say I just want to go straight here and craft 3 of these. Hit next. I have the stuff to do it, right? I'm wondering if that might be the problem. Did I leave out silicon from these parts? So let's cancel this. Let's get here. Where is it? Let me craft a silicon piece. 1, next, start. Let me craft a next, start. Alright, so if I go to the pattern terminal, we want silicon, redstone, gold to make this piece. We're in process mode. Pull that down, bring that here. Alright, let's see. Did I actually screw this up? It is likely that I did. We'll pull this one out. Printed logic. Put this one in. I'm going to feel dumb if this is it. Clear that out. Okay, now let's see. Let's craft 3 of them. Alright, now see it's showing all the parts that we need there. I bet that's what I did. I didn't create the whole pattern. So if I hit start, putting it in there, it's gold coming in the top. Where is it hung up? Silicon's made. Where is it hung up? Okay, so those went in. Gold is there. Why is the gold not going in? I have the crafting card in. It's right there. Each one of those is different. So, yeah. So, I see, this is what I don't understand. There's not a gold piece. If I throw one in, will it drop it? Redstone, printed silicon, printed logic circuit. So yeah, this is where it is jamming up. It should be pulling that printed logic circuit in. There it is. So yeah, again, this is, I'm baffled. I don't know why this isn't working. So like I said, this is a system that I can use because I can make all the pieces individually. And that might actually be a better thing for me because when I was testing this out, I was going to make 10. I was just going to see what it took to make 10 64K drives. And wow, there's a lot involved with that. Over 1,000 Certus and 1,000 Redstone. So I'm glad, because if it hadn't have made me stop and pause between that step, it would have emptied out the my storage of Certus and Redstone on the server that I play on regularly. So anyway, I have a partial solution here. And this is going to be the system that I wind up building in my main game. But I would kind of like to figure out just why it's not building the full thing, right? So yeah, that's it. So if anybody has any suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. Let me know. Ping me on Twitter or something, @ArkanisisMC. So I'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for taking a look.